I peel a banana. I peel a banana. I peel a banana. I spread butter on bread. I spread butter on bread. I spread butter on bread. I put bread in the toaster. I put bread in the toaster. I put bread in the toaster. I set a plate. I set a plate. I set a plate. I stir oatmeal. I stir oatmeal. I stir oatmeal. I pour milk. I pour milk. I pour milk. I dip a tea bag. I dip a tea bag. I dip a tea bag. I drink tea. I drink tea. I drink tea. I heat a pan. I heat a pan. I heat a pan. I pour oil. I pour oil. I pour oil. I add salt. I add salt. I add salt. I chop a tomato. I chop a tomato. I chop a tomato. I mix a salad. I mix a salad. I mix a salad. I serve lunch. I serve lunch. I serve lunch. I eat my food. I eat my food. I eat my food. I drink water. I drink water. I drink water. I open a menu. I open a menu. I open a menu. I point at this. I point at this. I point at this. I call the cafe. I call the cafe. I call the cafe. I order food. I order food. I order food. I open my wallet. I open my wallet. I open my wallet. I pay by card. I pay by card. I pay by card. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I carry my bag. I carry my bag. I carry my bag. I unwrap a sandwich. I unwrap a sandwich. I unwrap a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. I open a salad. I open a salad. I open a salad. I eat salad. I eat salad. I eat salad. I open chips. I open chips. I open chips. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I open yogurt. I open yogurt. I open yogurt. I throw it away. I throw it away. I throw it away. I carry a basket. I carry a basket. I carry a basket. I take milk. I take milk. I take milk. I check eggs. I check eggs. I check eggs. I buy rice. I buy rice. I buy rice. I buy beans. I buy beans. I buy beans. I add spices. I add spices. I add spices. I put milk in the fridge. I put milk in the fridge. I put milk in the fridge. I store rice. I store rice. I store rice. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.